Today's tip of the day is you are not immune from losses. And it seems to be really simple to say that, but what I mean by that is uh, there have been so many traders that have wiped out their accounts and are basically gone bankrupt, gone to take second jobs and third jobs to pay for a living. And that causes a lot of distress. That causes a lot of, if you've got a family to feed, it's really hard to sustain yourself and have a living if you don't have any other income coming in. So don't wait for the time where you're just completely wiped out and don't have any income to really learn from your mistakes. So don't keep it to that stage, but keep your profit or your stop losses into consideration throughout your trading journey, and also make sure that you cut your losses short before they kind of take you and tempt you to uh, taking more rash decisions. Now, the important thing to keep in mind is you are most vulnerable when you are at the highest profit, or if you're revenge trading. So if you're like, you're sitting down on a huge profit, then you get your ego into the game and you're like, oh, I think I can make this, and I'm like the master of this trade now. And the second way is like, if you're revenge trading and if you made a series of losses, you want to come to get back even, and you want to have that ego boost that, okay, I'm safe now. I've actually, gone into the hole and have come out safely. But once you go into the hole, it kind of drills you down until you make some really firm decisions, and that's what I want you to focus on, because until then you're just like, all over the place. So I hope this was helpful. This is a very hard lesson to swallow, but I hope it benefits you and helps you in your trading journey.